All right, let's get started making this very, very simple necklace. Now I'm gonna show you two ways to make this necklace that you can either do add a little bit on or make it super, super simple. So the first thing I wanna do is, to make the first way, I'm gonna add my clasp on real quick. So I'm gonna grab my jump ring like so, and I am going to open it up. So this plier is coming this way and that plier went that way, and I just pull the opposite ways to open it up. And that's just the best way to open up a jump ring. Now I'm gonna put my clasp on, and then I'm gonna find the last link on the chain. Now I've already measured this. You can make it like a choker, you can make it longer. It's all up to you. Every neck, every person is so different. I am super tall, and so all the jewelry I make, if I make it for me and give it to somebody, it ends up being really big on them. And so it just it just depends on your height, on your size, and so some necklace people like short, small, whatever, you're gonna have to figure it out because it's all different, it's all relative. Now the next thing I'm gonna do is, these come with a gift. Aren't these gorgeous? These come with a gift. These are so pretty to me. They're just super cute. So I'm gonna put this on just like this. Look at, you are making a necklace. It's like 3 steps and you have a necklace. And so this is going to be the first way to do it, right? And so then I open my jump ring like so, and then I put it through the last link on the other side of the chain, and I grab my pliers, and now I'm going to do the opposite. This is going towards me, this is going away from me. And so I'm going to close it up. Now you have to make sure there's no gap. If there's a gap, redo it again, and make sure that your jump ring is like this, not like this, not like that. Has to be touching, so that it doesn't, your jewelry piece doesn't fall apart. So this, look at, you already have a necklace. You can do it like that. So simple, right? So simple, so easy. I love it. But let's say you want to go a little bit more, have a little bit more on there, right? Instead of just a simple necklace, you want a little bit more. So I'm just gonna show you just to do 2 pieces. You can go, you can put these all the way up the chain. You can do different colors. It can be pretty fun, but I'm just gonna add 2 just to make it a little bit more, right? So this is the second way. So you got the first way, but we're gonna add a little bit more for the second way. So I got my head pin. I got the color. Look at, these are beautiful purple, like a bright, shiny purple chip bead, and I am going to cut off a good amount. I'm gonna cut off because I want to make like a small, I'm gonna make a small loop. And now I'm gonna grab my round nose pliers, and I'm gonna bend it back at a 90-degree angle at the base, just like that. Do you see that? I do a 90-degree angle, and now I'm gonna take, and I'm gonna put the wire right here. So this is a round nose pliers, and it goes from small to big. The smallest part is to make a small loops, and biggest one is to make big loops, and everywhere in between, right? And so I want to make a small loop, so I put it here, and now I'm just going to curl it around. I'm going to bring my pliers back down. It was at the very tip, and bring it back down, and I'm going to curl it around. Sorry, trying to get my grip on here. Curl it around again, and you have a loop, right? And so I'm going to open it just a little. And the smaller the bead, the more it kind of hurts your fingers just a little bit. So just be careful. And I am going to look for the middle of my necklace. I'm going to look for the middle. I'm going to put this right in the middle, right? And then that's where the middle's at. And then I'm just going to open it up. And I want to go over like this. Let's say where the pin is at. That's the middle link. Like it has a middle link right under there. I'm gonna go over like 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I'm gonna go over 7 links. And on the 7th link is where I'm going to put, where I wanna put this. So, and then I'm gonna actually use my snub those pliers to close it up. I could use my round, but I'm gonna use my sub. And it just adds a little bit. Oh my gosh, isn't that so cute? Just adds a little bit. I gotta find like the middle again. Just like that. And then I'm gonna put it straight across. And I'm going to do it again. I'm gonna put my bead on, gonna hold it down. I'm gonna cut off my excess. Oh, I cut off the excess. And then I'm gonna bend it back a 90-degree angle, grab it right here, and then I'm gonna roll, 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 and make a cute loop, just like that. And now I'm gonna put it on. So I'm gonna go up and I'm gonna find the 7th one. It just doesn't want to go on there right now. It wants to be difficult. These links are small, so it could take you a moment for it to go through. Okay. It's being difficult with me. Okay, I can do this. I can do this. Okay. There we go. It's in. It took a minute. It was fighting me. And now I'm going to grab my round nose and I'm going to curl it in. And look, we have just a little bit more, right? Just a little bit more. Isn't that cute? How cute is that? And that is how you make a very simple, cute necklace. 2 ways. You don't have to have the beads, or you could have even more beads, or you could just have the pendant. How cute is that?